Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we are going to learn a Java program to find the Fibonacci series. So let's get started. First of all, let me explain what is the Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is the sequence where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers of the sequence. The first two numbers of the Fibonacci series are 0 and 1, which are the default values of Fibonacci series and are used to generate the Fibonacci series. This is the example of Fibonacci series where 0 plus 1 will be 1, then 1 plus 1 will be 2, then 1 plus 2 will be 3, then 2 plus 3 will be 5, then 3 plus 5 will be 8, then 5 plus 8 will be 13. This is the example of Fibonacci series. Let us create same type of series in the Java. So let's start the Java program. Now let's first of all open the VS Code editor. Now we need to create a Java file. So let's create it. The file name will be fb series dot java, Fibonacci series dot java. Now we need to import the scanner class. So let's import it. Import java dot util dot scanner. Now we need to create the main method. So let's get it. Public static void main string arguments. Then after the main method body, let me create some variables. Int first term is equal to 0, comma second term is equal to 1, then the initial value of sum will be 0. The first term will be 0, then the second term will be 1, and the initial value of sum will be 0. Then the value of sum will gradually increase in the code. Let us print a line system dot out dot println. Enter the number of terms of Fibonacci Fibonacci series semicolon. Then after we create int type of variable. Int n is equal to sc dot a. We have done some mistakes here. We create the scanner class object. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner scannr system dot in. Now int n is equal to sc dot next int. Then after we print a line system dot out dot println Fibonacci series r and semicolon. Then after the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, then I plus plus. Then after the main method of the for loop, then we simply print a line system dot, this is the body of for loop. Then we simply print a line system dot out dot println. We simply write only print, and then inside it we write sum plus some single space, then sum is equal to first term plus second term. The value of sum will be first term plus second term. Then after first term is equal to second term. Then after second term is equal to sum, and that's it. The program is we done some mistakes, semicolon. That's it. The program is this. Now let's save this, Ctrl S and run. It is running. Enter the number of term of Fibonacci series. Let us give the number 5 and enter 0 1 2 3 5, and let's again run the program. Let's we give the number 10, then enter, then 0 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 55. This is the desired output we need. So that's it, guys. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you, guys.